What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys are doing alright today. If I look cold, it's because I am. I'm in Michigan and it's not warm right now. Today we are going to attempt to put some go fast parts on my A4. It's not going to make it go fast, it's just a test pipe. No, it's backwards. It is 3" down to the 2" down pipe. We're going to attempt to put this on today in my garage by myself. I feel like it's going to go very bad because I attempted yesterday and I couldn't get to it. But today I think I've got the proper tools and we're gonna give it a shot. I think I'm gonna have to open the garage door because if things go bad, I don't wanna go through the garage door. I'm also trying out this new mic. Let me know if the sound quality is any better. It's a Rode Go mic, I think it's called. I'm just hoping it works because I was getting awful wind noise in my past videos. You want to remove this duct. Give yourself a bunch of space because you're gonna need it. So remove that duct, pop your filter out. You're gonna have to disconnect this vacuum line. Now you have an O2 sensor. Well, technically 2. Way back in, yeah, you can kind of see it right there. Way back in there. I'm not sure I'm gonna get that one off, but got my little handy dandy light here. Okay, so here's the difficult part that I've run into. I'm sure other people have too. So there's 3 bolts on the turbo. There's those 2 there, and then there's one way down here in the bottom. I didn't have the correct socket to get them. You needed a You need a swivel, or whatever this is called, a wobble, to get to that one down there at the bottom. I don't know if you can kind of see it. And I didn't have that yesterday, which is what I ran into, and which is what postponed this whole thing. Got the trusty 7mm, 17. Let's see. See, I can get it in there, but am I gonna be able to get it out? That's what she said. There we go. 2 or 3 down. Those were a little hard in retrospect. I'm used to working on my Miata, so everything on that is like a 10mm and it comes off with ease for the most part. I've quickly come to the conclusion that there's no way you're gonna be able to see this. So I'm gonna attempt it and I will check back in with you guys when I get it off, hopefully. See this little thing right here? This is a sign of victory. We got this. We got it out, boys. Check it out. Nope. You got some movement now. Now I'm going to attempt to unhook the downpipe. Oh, there's one little. I'm guessing it's like a vibration silencer deadener on the bottom. It's at the downpipe, kind of when it bends back to go to the axle or to the rear. Okay, so as for what I was talking about earlier with the I think it's a vibration deadener or something like that. I don't really know. This thing right here, that guy, it's like connected to the downpipe and mounted to the chassis. It's got a bolt running through it with a spring on it. Makes sense to me as to that being what it is, but I don't know. Oh no, boys. We've run into an issue. Ah, 'tis success. That's what it is. It's like a spring with a big old bolt going through it. But after that, downpipe's pretty loose. So we're looking pretty good, I think. Alright, so next move is unhooking the downpipe from the axle back. But I just got under here and gave it a quick look. Let's see if I can get you guys up here. Okay, so there's the clamp. Take a look at how rusty those bolts are. 20 bucks as a snap one. And I'm not even gonna put 20 actual bucks on it because I know I'm going to. But we're gonna douse her in some WD-40. And hope that helps because I don't have PB Blaster. But, let's go. Alright, so my camera died. So, gotta plug in the other battery. I've got a spare, but I don't know how much charge is on this one. So, it may just die as well. But, we are going to toss the OG in. On that light, there's orange light, green light, orange light, turns green, it's done. These things are rusty. I think I'm gonna jack up the rear so I have a level amount of movement underneath because I can't fit my round self underneath. Alright, I'm back. To be honest, I really haven't touched the car since the last time, like a second ago for you, but that's not because of any reason that you're probably assuming. It is because that bolt that I had to get off the downpipe to pull it out is too rusty. It actually stripped. So I had to go to the store, bought some PB Rust Buster nut splitting tool, cheap exhaust clamps just to hold it over till I can get it welded up or whatever. I didn't know what size it was, so I got a 2.5, 2.8, and a 2.25. But yeah, so got the nut splitting tool. I've never used one of these before, so this is a first for both of us. You watching me working on it.
2,000 years later.
So, it is probably 2 weeks after I said I'd pick up this camera tomorrow. Well, it's on now. I never filmed finishing the project. I just decided one day I'd get it done. Well, me and a buddy, because I couldn't exactly figure out how to get it on myself. So I had a buddy come over and he helped me. But now, I guess since it's all done, I'm gonna grab a sweatshirt before I go out, show you guys, but I guess since it's all done, I should probably show you, for one, and give you a start to show you what it did, which wasn't much. No power gains because the car's not tuned. She's right there. Actually looks like it's morphing colors now. I'm getting hot from being driven. It's changing to like the oil spill or whatever that color shift color is that stainless turns. Now it's having trans issues to make things just that much better after I put that on. I mean, it's having trans issues before, but they've progressed. So this thing may be going away after all of that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. When you're not,
I don't think it's gonna stay much longer. I'm gonna let the car warm up for a second, and then for the first time in months, there's blue skies and sun in Michigan. It's served its purpose. It is now for sale. If you know anybody looking for a B6 A4, pretty much bone stock, hit me up because it's for sale. I don't want it. You can have it. Spacing out. Just to give you a general idea of how much later this is being filmed now, that was started on mid-January, like January 15th or 17th or something. I started that. I filmed to the beginning of this video on, and now it is March 19th, I think. It didn't go as I planned. I planned for it to be a full install. It turned out to be a lot more difficult, so I ended up having to get a buddy to help me, and I didn't film it. I forgot, I'm sorry. If you like this sort of content, I promise the next one will actually be a full video. But if you like this sort of content, comment if this helped at all. I highly doubt it. I don't even know if I'm gonna actually put this up. Like, comment, subscribe, share it too. That's gonna do it. See y'all next time.